this video, we'll be showing you how you can force the sale of a product if another has been added to a basket. This option can be used, for example, when you are selling a child ticket that requires an adult ticket to be purchased with it. First, log in as an administrator. From the main navigation, select Admin and then Events. Then select Tickets and Products from the Manage menu of the relevant event. Then select Add Product from the Product Management menu. Complete the necessary details for the product. Then, from the Dependent Product drop-down list, select the product that you wish to force the purchase of at checkout. Then click on the Add Product button. You can view on your shop or events page whether a product has a dependency. And although the ticket can still be added to the basket, your customer will not be able to proceed through the checkout process without including the dependent product. And that's it. You can now force the sale of a product if another has been added to the basket. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up classes to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.